The artist behind the comic books, Alok and Soman Patel. The reigning queen of content herself. Ladies and gentlemen, he doesn't need an introduction. The third Maulana Bhatia. Ladies and gentlemen,
well, love the energy. This is my first time on Comic Con Mumbai, and I'm very excited to bring this amazing comic book. A labor of love. It starts all from our TVF team. Arnab and Deepak, our director, is there writing. Yeah. And then, of course, our producer who needs no introduction, Ekta Kapoorji. And there's someone joining me for the first time once again. Right here in Comic Con, this is our first event for our film. And we're super excited to bring this comic book to you guys at Mumbai Comic Con. I love the energy here, man.
yeah, man, this is Mumbai Comic Con. This is Comic Con. Yeah, guys, it's your turn. This is Comic Con. Yeah, so welcome to our show. Well, this is what we do. We just have fun all day, and we do all things related to pop culture, comic books, movies, anime, manga. This is our world. So we have something really beautiful under this velvet cloth.
I wonder what that is, man. I don't know.
Me too.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a look at it real soon. So why don't we do it, man? We're all ready. Mumbai, are you ready? Okay, so guys, please come forward. Lay your lovely hands on this cloth.
Are you guys excited to see what's underneath?
This is it.
Alright.
The reveal.
Okay, what do you think it is, man? What is it? Any guesses?
Any guesses? Right there.
Say the whole name.
People know. They're already like, book. What sort of book? This is it, ladies and
Well, I
gentlemen.
think, yeah, this is
The
it now.
reveal of the one comic book. No. Your thoughts?
Well, absolutely. I think, one represents the folk lore that we have. We have such a rich culture and so many stories in India, you can tell. And that's the reason I'm most excited about this film. I think it talks about our folk stories, which comes from TVF in their writing. And then Ekta giving, a producer inputs into it and mounting it on that level. And today, all thanks to that, we have this comic book, which is, I think, the most special for me as an actor to see a story, a character come alive in art. It's actually fast. And hopefully that have the same effect once I see the movie on.
Yeah, that's great. And what a feeling to see your face published like that.
Well, absolutely. I think it looks kick-ass, man. Yeah, me and Tamanna looking. What do you guys think of the cover poster, guys? Yeah, my thoughts exactly.
Relatable storytelling from Panchayat now to One. So this is quite a creative leap. How do you feel about that?
Of course, I'm very happy. The for a director, the most important thing is the script, the story. The story enticed me a lot, and we had great performers to do the performances. I'm very thankful to Ekta ma'am who supported us who supported us with her writing also, with her vision also on the film. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Wow, well, she is the queen. Lady Kapoor, I have a question for you. What do you think will stay with the audience long after they watch the film or read the comic?
You've left a lot of Easter eggs in the film. There's a lot of folklore. And what you stayed is the fan fiction that comes out of the film. There's going to be a lot of fan fiction. People will make their own stories with this. It's giving birth to many conspiracy theories. It's the genesis of a whole new world. And it's the beginning of probably this is just the catalyst or the moment where the story begins. We're going to open up a lot more possibilities. I think there'll be a lot more fan fiction after the review.
Wow. Hey, Mumbai, are you listening? Yes, Amir. You're paying attention? Okay. So is this going to be a movie where you have to pay attention, like look very closely? A lot of details? Let's see.
That not be my strong point ever, but God is in the detailing, and I think the biggest detailing here is going to be on the way Arunabh and Sir have brought out the characters, the way the actors have performed it.
Agreed. Fantastic. Arunabh, maybe this question is for you. What makes this collaboration special for fans who love both films and graphic novels?
So, hi everybody. I think there are fans of Siddharth and Tamanna work. Please, first of all, please get this side as well. Yeah. They have been waiting for the photography. I think Siddharth थोड़ा प्यार आप पाई तरफ भी दे दो, है ना? This is so yes, we all love Sid Paji and Tamanna Didi. But the very small kids also are in the crowd, and this is
I don't think anyone is calling Tamanna Didi out here. I'm quite sure about it.
I'm talking about below 13-year-olds. So this is very special for me because I always looked up to one person, even in my college days. That who is this person who makes shows and 20 shows in a year, and if ever I'll get to meet her once, then I'll say thank you for inspiring. But I think 4 years back, the person happened to literally call me up out of nowhere and say I am your big fan, and that was the moment which I cherish always. Somebody who has told stories on TV, on digital, on films, and now also on the comic book in print medium. So it's all thanks to Ekta. So please a big round of applause for the person who has told stories in all medium.
When Arunabh was small, I was also small. Huh? You made me look like I'm some Baba Uncle ke zamane.
So and thanks to Alok and Samin, Shefali, Ekans and Jatin, and to all of you who love comic books. We have Sajja sir here, we have Faisal bhai here, we have all grown up on comic books, guys. आप लोग TikTok videos देखते थे. हम नागराज, who are fans of नागराज, दोगा, Manoj Comics, Amarnath Bahadur,
Chacha Chaudhary.
Sentenced to be a Hero, who are the fans of Clash of Titans, One Piece, One Piece, guys. But my favorite currently is Death Note. Who are the Death Note guys? Yeah. So, Death Note is a good segue into our film. This film is not another horror comedy. This film is not another film that we just thought, okay, let's make it. This is a folklore which Ekta loved it. It's actually inspired by a true story. And then he sat with us for almost numerous nights. And it's a folk feature based on a creature, is how she defines it. And that's so I hope all of you will watch it. And there are people who have for holding the posters.
600 चाहिए 800 ले लेगा 600
And
यहाँ के लिए 600 चाहिए
so
All enough, guys. You can also see you on 28th of August at the cinema.
And I think finally I'll give the mic to the person for which most of you have come. So I think Tamanna, please.
Absolutely. The last one. Tamanna R. Bhatia, one message to all our Comic Con fans joining here for the One comic book launch.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can you hear me? It's my first time at Comic Con Mumbai, but my journey with Comic Con actually started with this really amazing film called Bahubali. So that was the first time that I got introduced to the loyal fans of comic books. I just feel super lucky that in the time and age we are, there are so many different mediums of entertainment, and I am extremely lucky to be working with producers, filmmakers who really care about expressing stories in different mediums. Because I have to tell you, the story that Deepak and Arnab have made for the comic book, I kid you not, is so fantastic. Honestly, I feel like now I would be like, we've shot a lot of one, but I was like, there's some scenes I'm like, they should be there in our movie. So I think they are so passionate about storytelling, and I feel like they are truly the future in the sense that be it long form, be it a comic book or a feature, they can pull off anything. And I'm so happy Sid is doing this film because I think he is India's heartthrob, and he's just, be it millennials or Gen Zs, I cannot tell you the number of friends and friends' nieces that have called me that I was working with Sid, and they were also excited because everyone thinks that Siddharth is the heartthrob of our nation. So I'm so excited that you chose to do this because I feel the folklore that we have in our country is so untapped. वो कहीं सुनी बातें होती थी, but actually उनमें बहुत सारी गहराइयाँ थी जो आज हम लोग आज साइंस उसको बैक कर रहा है. So I feel like now when we're telling these stories, they're all feeling very relevant, they're all feeling very meaningful, and I'm glad that it's being put into a commercial format so everyone can consume it. But I love the poster. You guys have to see the stuff that they've done inside. The artwork is brilliant. I would love to know, can you tell us what the artists who done it?
I'll take the mic to the artists, and
Yes,
also
they're amazing.
artists were very excited to draw Tamanna and Siddharth onto their thumbnails and panels. So over to Saumin and Alok.
Yes. Behind the One comic book. Let's hear from them.
So, Anok, actually, you talk a little bit about story first.
So the idea came from Arunab actually. The story of One, the film, is so amazing that when he asked us to do a comic based on the film as a spin-off and not spoil anything from the film, it came as a challenge. But then, we sat together a couple of nights and, created the story that you can read in the graphic novel. And you can see the beautiful art that Saumin has created along with a Brazilian superstar named Caio Pegado. So Caio is the one that who's inked on Saumin's artwork. I'll let Saumin speak about the art.
So actually, it was an amazing project for us because after a long time we were working on a project which had a lot of folklore in it. So whoever loves that flavor, please come have a look at the book, buy it from us, and I hope that it'll be a great journey for you to read the book.
People, you guys can visit Indus First store, and also the books will soon be available online through Balaji's handles or Indus First handles, and you can order and come and look at. And some of these books will have autographs by Siddharth, Tamanna, and Ekta. There will be only 200 limited editions for those, so please book them very fast. So that's it. And the final question to Ekta about the film: when is it coming?
We have
Yes.
to do a question with Siddharth.
We did do a best blessing, Harjo, but you already spoke. But after everyone speaking, I truly have to say that one as a team is super excited. This is just a small teaser into the world of One, as you guys see with this wonderful cast, and most of the boys are very upset they're not in front covering Tamanna. You'd rather see her ride the bike, but you'll see so much of us, guys. Thank you so much for this amazing energy and love. I hope you guys enjoyed this book. And Ekta, when are we coming?
28th of August, we're in the theaters near you.
28th of August, guys.
You heard in Mumbai,
We will see
28th of
you
August.
at the movie.